Let us understand how to capture fingerprints for Dmit test. The tools required are an ink pad and a paper pad, or simply a piece of paper. Broadly, there are 4 types of fingerprints: loop, whirl, arc and double loop. Let us understand these in detail. Loop pattern. Loop pattern is like a loop of a hook, as we can see in this image. In a loop pattern, there is one delta point or a Y-shaped point which is evident in this image towards the right side. The direction of flow of loop is opposite to the delta point. As an instance, since delta point is towards the right in this image, the flow of loop is towards the left side. Whirl pattern. Whirl has circular lines or ridges which move around the center. A whirl will have 2 delta points or Y-shaped points, one towards the left side of the center, another towards the right side of the center. Arc pattern. Arc pattern is simply like a water wave or a tent. As it is evident in this image, it has a flat curvature in which ridges move from one end to another. In an arc pattern, there is no delta point. Double loop pattern. Double loop pattern is simply a combination of 2 loops. It is also called S pattern since it is of S shape, as it is evident from the image. A double loop pattern will have 2 center points and 2 delta points. Points to be taken care while capturing the fingerprints. Our hands must be clean and dry. We need to capture every finger 3 times, that is left, center and right of our finger. Delta and center should be captured in the same image. As we can see on the image towards the left, that delta and center both have been captured in the same image. We need this for at least 1 out of 3 images which we capture for every finger. In this example, for the very first image, we can see the center but delta point is missing. So this is incorrect. In the second image, we can see the delta point but center is not visible. So this is again incorrect. For the third image, both delta and center are quite visible. So this is the correct way to capture a fingerprint. Another point is that fingerprints should not be too dark or too light. So we need to use proper ink so that ridges are clearly visible. In the first image, ink used is more, so ridges are not visible. For the second image, ink used is less, again the ridges are not visible. For the third image, we can see the ridges very clearly, so this is the right way to capture the fingerprints. Coming on to how to record and share the fingerprints. In the Dmit mobile app, we have the option to capture prints for each of the 10 fingers. And for every finger, we will capture 3 prints. So total 30 prints are to be captured. We need to ensure that we capture the right image. As an example, if we are choosing left hand thumb in the mobile app, we need to ensure that we click the image of left hand thumb only.